Hello food lovers, welcome back to Exotic Cuisine. Are you planning to make chicken gravy, soup, pastas or risottos? Then I just have the perfect recipe for you. To make any of these recipes, we need one very essential element, and that is chicken stock. And guess what? I am going to show this recipe straight from my cookbook, Delicious Delicacies from My Table. So let's get started with our chicken stock recipe. Here I have 300 grams of chicken. I have taken more of bones which will enhance our chicken stock. Here I have 1 onion, 1 piece of ginger, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 carrot, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, few bay leaves, 12 to 15 peppercorns, few cloves and celery stick. Here I have 4 cup water and a vessel for the chicken stock. So let's cut the onion, carrot and celery and keep them ready. We need to cut them roughly. We do not need to chop them properly. For the chicken stock, roughly chopped are fine. We'll cut 1 ginger piece also. So here I have 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, and here I have 1 inch piece of ginger which I am pounding lightly. So I am pounding garlic and ginger lightly. You all can see. And also I am pounding lightly our peppercorns and clove. So I am breaking our cinnamon stick into small pieces to enhance our stock flavor. So let's switch on the flame and add our chicken first. I washed this chicken nicely. Twice I washed it and cleaned it. You all can see. Into this I'll add cloves and peppercorns. I'll add bay leaves, cinnamon stick, celery chopped, onion chopped and carrot, and also I'll add garlic and ginger pounded. And with this we'll add 4 cups of water. You all must have noticed I have not added salt because we are making a chicken stock. We are not making a gravy or a soup. This will be stored in a fridge, so that's the reason I'm not adding any salt. Since all our ingredients are in the cooker, so I'll close the lid and we'll let this be on flame up till 4 whistles. If you have a deep bottom pan, you can use that also. I'm having a pressure cooker, so I'm making in pressure cooker. So it's been 25 minutes and the chicken stock is ready. You all can see. Wow, what an aroma. I can smell all the spices. This can turn any recipe into a delicious one. So here our flavorsome delicious chicken stock is ready. I've strained this. Now this chicken stock is going to be used for multiple purposes, for stews, for pastas, for baked dish, for gravies, etc. You can store it in a freezer, and whenever you need, you can just pull it from the freezer and use this. To enjoy such more recipes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching my channel.